Please subscribe for more videos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, you counted to 10. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Inside. Eat. The baby is eating. Play. The children are playing with their dad. Read. The babies are reading a story. Wash. The baby is having a wash in the bath. Sleep. The little girl is asleep in her bed. Put it back. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. This is a red train. Blue, green, purple. It's a yellow bird. Tweet, tweet. It's an orange cat. Meow. It's a white dog. Woof, woof. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Number train. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choo choo, choo choo. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What shapes are they? Circle, star, diamond. What colours are they? Orange, blue, red.
Please subscribe for more videos.